welcome to another day. Today is a Wednesday and it's actually Labor Day. So holiday ngayon, walang pasok yung mga bata. So anyway, yesterday I started editing another video, which by the way, na-post ko na yung second comeback vlog. And medyo natagalan nga yung naging interval ng first and second, pero okay lang. At least, nakapag-post na ako ulit. Tapos, yesterday, nag-start na rin ako ulit mag-edit ng yung next vlog. Siguro, ipopost ko yun. Most likely, matapos ko yung editing by tomorrow or Friday. Yeah, kung matapos ko siya tomorrow, post ko rin siya tomorrow. If not, Friday na. Yesterday, hindi ako nakapag-work. Which, not good. Since I do really need to get back to doing my role.
I'm grade 1.
Not yet. Hindi ka pa nga nag-graduation. Ano ba? Sige na.
So, I'm grade 1.
Hindi pa. After pa ng graduation mo. So, graduation ni Ark is on May 25. Excited na siya mag-grade 1. Pero wala pa kaming naiisip na school. Ay, meron na kami naisip na school na pwede niyang pasukan. Which is yung school din kung saan first grade sila in AV, since okay naman doon. Pero tinitingnan pa namin. Naghahanap pa ako ng ibang possible options. Titingin-tingin pa. Mas okay sana kasi if Christian school, since we're Christians, and mas gusto namin na yung teachings, as much as possible, if pwede na pati yung lessons, aligned siya with the scripture, or parang scripture-based siya. When we did homeschooling, we did it under Homeschool Global, pero yung curriculum namin is under Victory Christian International School. And ang maganda doon, yung mga materials na ginamit namin throughout homeschooling, especially those na from the BJU Press, yung mga lessons, talagang ini-incorporate nila yung gospel, nasa Bible, even sa science lessons before nila in AV. So, yun yung maganda naman with homeschooling. We'll definitely homeschool Art, pero not yet. I want him to experience first going into a big school. Siguro we can jump into homeschooling again by the time na mag-grade 3 siya or pag mag-grade 4 na siya. Like what we did with Ian. Hindi pa namin yan napag-uusapan ulit. So, itong mga sinasabi ko ay hindi pa ito mga sure, pero baka lang. Baka ganun yung mangyari. Anyway, going back to what I was saying kanina, hindi ako nakapag-work, which is not good, kasi dapat mag-start na ako i-integrate sa aking daily schedule yung pag-work ulit. But, I don't know, medyo nasa leave mode pa yung aking utak. So, pero today, dapat makapag-work ako. Ayan, in case pala you don't know, so we own a small, for context, we own a small startup company. It's a software development company. And I act as the marketing and sales director there. Medyo naapektuhan yung aming mga marketing strategies when I entered my 3rd trimester of pregnancy. So, at the start of this year, medyo naging very inconsistent na, let's say, aming mga social media posts. Madami kaming mga hindi nagawang mga bagay-bagay. But I'm looking forward to getting back to work again very soon. Hopefully, mas maging consistent na and na matuloy na namin yung mga plans namin for our company. We're actually in the process of developing a travel app. It's called What a Trip, and doon ako nagfo-focus talaga. So, magkaibang entity siya. Magkaibang entity yung software development company and ibang entity yung What a Trip. But What a Trip is being developed under the software development company. So, just to give you an idea. Kasi baka mamaya in the coming months, especially pag naging in full throttle na yung aming marketing for the app, mas ma-share ko siya dito sa mga vlogs ko and mas ma-include ko yung about the work sa mga vlogs ko. Another update, when it comes to positive label, yung mga designs, hindi pa rin ako nakakapag-add. Oh, hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. But I'm praying for it, asking the Lord for guidance, for wisdom on how to go about this drought ng creative juice. Kasi talagang wali talaga ako maisip na designs. Yun. Pero, dapat, actually, May 1 na. So, supposedly, I'll be releasing a parang special Mother's Day item or package for Mother's Day. But, unfortunately, hindi na siya matutuloy muna ulit. Yun yung target ko sana rin with the shirts na hopefully ma-release ko siya by before or maybe a little after Mother's Day kung hindi talaga kakayanin. So, sana naman ay medyo magkaroon na ako ng output. Kasi talagang wala akong maisip, guys. Wala akong maisip na design.
No, that's January. Okay, here's December. Okay. I went to college.
Anyway, guys, tingnan nyo to. Ang daming damit. These are actually... I love you, Art. These are actually baby clothes from my tita.
Macy.
No, not Tita Macy.
Tita, what?
May mga towels, may mga onesies, may pillow pa, may mga terno, ganyan, may mga onesie na long sleeves. Ang dami nito, sobra. Bigay ito ng aking tita dahil malaki na yung kanyang mga apo, so pamana kay AL. Thank you, Tita Jeannie, if you're watching. Actually, yung tita ko rin na yun, siya rin nagbigay ng mga side tie na sinusuot ngayon ni AL. So, bumili lang ako ng onting pieces noon, onting terno, mga 53 yata, 3 pieces na sleeveless, 3 pieces na may sleeves, 3 pieces na long sleeves, tsaka ang medyo madami akong binili is pambaba, yung mga shorts, tsaka pajama, kasi mostly na binigay niya ay mga tops. Pero, sobrang dami niyang binigay, so buti na lang, yung binili ko is very, few pieces lang. So, medyo nakatipid kami sa kanyang mga baru-baruan na medyo sumisikip na sa kanya ngayon. So, kailangan na rin talagang ng new to her, bagong damit. And, ayun, eksakto naman nagbigay ulit si Tita Jeannie ng mga pwedeng isuot naman ni AL. Mostly nga lang may manggas, which is okay naman, pantulog. So, siguro, hahanapan ko na lang siya ng sleeveless onesie doon sa binibilhan ko sa TikTok. Umorder lang kasi ako doon. Mura, ang weird lang kasi, mura sa kanya yung mga onesie na may sleeves. Usually 55 pesos, ganyan lang. Pero pagdating sa sleeveless onesie, yun yung mas mahal. Mga 79 to 89 pesos each. So, medyo parang nanghinayang ako mag-mine ng sleeveless onesie. Pero since kailangan ni AL at mahiinit dito ngayon, baka bumili na lang ulit ako doon. Yes, Ark, what are you saying?
Not saying anything.
Okay, so yun lang. Sige, I'll update you guys later.
BRB.
Let's eat pizza. Nagdala sila mami ng pizza yesterday for merienda. This is mine. You just get yours if you want, huh?
I'm gonna get my own. I'm gonna get my own.
Let's eat.
Just wait.
What are you going to do? You going to microwave your pizza?
Yep. Open it up. Maybe 1 hour.
Close it first. Not 1 hour, no. Just type that one.
Okay, so
Or, no, just press this. Oh, okay. Start. You only do that if mommy's here or Ate and Ate Ivy are here, ha? And don't put metal in the microwave or else it will explode. Diba you learned that from Fixies?
yep.
You're not supposed to put fork inside
Yeah.
because it will explode. Okay, you wait for it. I'll go to the
Oh, it's gonna be electrocuted.
Yeah. Okay guys, 2:30 to almost 2:30 na. At ang bata ay hindi pa naliligo. Ayan, nakadapa. Dinapa siya ni Omar. At maliligo na siya kaninang mga 1. Or actually before 1 pa yata yun. At nakatulog siya habang dumedede. Tapos, dinapa siya ni Omar na ganyan. Kasi medyo, for some reason, umiiyak siya ng malakas kahit karga. So, baka may masakit. Baka masakit ang tiyan. Kaya, ayan, nung dumapa siya ng ganyan, ang sarap ng tulog niya. Magti-3 o'clock na hindi pa siya tuloy nakakaligo. Don't worry in case meron sa inyo nag-iisip na hindi dapat nakaganyan. I know, and hindi naman namin siya palagi pinapadapa ng ganyan. Also, monitored siya. So, kumbaga, nandito lang ako sa tabi. Hindi namin siya iniiwan ng makaganyan yung position niya because we know naman na delikado yun. Okay. So, right now, I'm editing another vlog, as mentioned kanina, and so far, I have 3 more clips to edit, yung ikakat to cut ko. Tapos, after nyan, ano na ulit, text, transitions, and music. Tapos, pwede ulit mag-post. Pero hindi ako magpo-post today, since kaka-post ko lang kahapon. Ayoko naman na magkasunod, tapos, biglang yung susunod, medyo matatagal na naman na interval. Yung nag-interval last time is 1 week. So, ngayon siguro kahit mga 2 days or a day na interval, pwede na rin yan. Tapos, di ba sinabi ko kahapon, bala ko mag-live selling today. Pero hindi ko sure kung magagawa ko talaga siya today. Kasi nga, si AL ay medyo parang wala siya sa mood today. So, sunod si Art.
Yeah.
Kakaligo lang din. So, anyway, yun. Kaya hindi ko sure. Ay, wait lang. Tigasin ko siya. Tired. Tired na.
My shirts. I need to like become like Superman.
Don't show your... Did you just show your... Supposed to do that. Ano na nga ba yung sinasabi ko? Tapos yeah, so regarding the live selling, not sure if I'd be able to do that today or kung makakapag-live selling kami today because nga si AL parang hindi masyadong okay yung medyo fussy siya today. Which, hindi yan normal for her ng ganitong oras na fussy siya. Usually, ganyan siya kapag madaling araw pero not daytime. So, hindi. Wow. So anyway, chinek ko yung isang box kanina doon sa baba. Yung sinabi kong baka pwede ko pag-combinein. Actually, may space nga siya, pero I doubt na magkakasya yung content nung isa pang box na bawas na doon. So, I don't know. I should really start posting more for sale books online habang hindi pa ako nakakapag-live selling kasi talagang we need to get rid of the books. We need to sell more because wala na talagang wala na talagang space, detach. Or, hey there.
I want to be in the fog.
Huh?
I want to be in the fog.
In the vlog? Hey guys, so currently reviewing yung birth story video na finilm ko last week. And it's all sorts of fail. I think I have to refilm it. Kasi bukod sa pawis na pawis ako ng time na yon, as in kitang-kita mo sa video na tumatagaktak yung pawis ko sa leeg, sa noo, and everywhere. May mga clips na maingay kasi yung time na yon nasabay na naman siya na meron akong kapitbahay na nagwawalis sa labas. So, rinig na rinig pala yung walis. Yung pagwawalis ng kalsada. So, hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya magandang pakinggan. Hindi siya magandang panoorin. So, siguro what I'm gonna do now, hindi ko muna i-delete yung clips. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to review it and then kung meron ako na miss out na details para next time na i-film ko siya, it's okay. Kaya next time that I film it, mas complete na yung details and wala akong makalimutan. But, that's a no-go for me. Gustuhin ko man siyang i-edit, I don't think mareremedyoan ko siya. Siguro yung mga clips na medyo nakikita yung pawis ko and everything, pwede pa siyang lagyan ng B-roll. Pero ang problema ko is yung audio mismo. Kasi medyo mahaba yung part doon na rinig yung pagwawalis ng anong kapitbahay namin. So, medyo... Pero sige, pag-isipan ko pa muna. But most likely, I'll refilm it. Sayang, but that's just how it goes. Okay, so Ark's taking a bath. Currently taking a bath because meron siyang classes today and AL still sleeping downstairs. Ang sarap ng tulog niya ngayon. Although, umiingit-ingit siya ng paunti-unti. Ito na lang muna. So, ilang araw din sila walang pasok because of the heat. Kakaiba na yung panahon ngayon. Dati na sususpend lang ang class kapag umuulan. Pag may bagyo. Ngayon, pag mainit, nasususpend na rin ng classes. Pero kasi, yun nga, since binago nila yung school year, yan nga lang yung disadvantage kapag ang pasok ay umaabot until summer. Talagang kawawa yung mga students. Especially yung mga nagko-commute. Diba? Mga nagko-commute, kaya yung mga nag-aaral sa public schools, yung mga walang aircon yung classrooms. So, talagang sobrang init. Kaya understandable din naman na nagsususpend yung LGU ng mga classes. Yan. Pero si Ark meron na siyang pasok ngayon. Sila Ain, wala pa rin silang face-to-face class. So, asynchronous naman sila. Nag-online sila every time. Wala silang face-to-face class. So, mahagard na itsura ko. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Natatandaan ko pa. Kailangan ko nga palang punasan tong drawer kasi medyo madumi na siya. So, let's get a...
Okay, what's my...
Faster na, Ark. Faster.
Yes.
You'll be late na. If you're done, go na. Wipe yourself. And then, wear your clothes na agad. So, let's wet. Ay, ay, ay! Daming Dali naman itong matanggal kasi yung material nito is
Plastic.
para siyang laminated wood. So, hindi ko alam yung tawag sa pinakamaterial na to.
Mommy, Manray looks like a super villain.
Yeah, faster, Art. You'll be late na. Later na. Talk to me later about Man Ray. Meron na naman siyang na-discover, guys, na bagong villain. Yung si Art, gusto niya yung mga villains lagi.
Yeah. Man Ray is the evil one.
He's an anti-hero.
Yeah.
Okay.
They almost see my butt.
I won't show your butt. That's not allowed on YouTube, and that's not right. Don't show your
Booty.
butt and your private parts like the brain or
Or the booty.
yeah, no.
Cheeks.
The
That's a butt?
No. What is it? I already told you what that is.
Oh, that's a butt. On the back, that's a breast.
Yeah. Malilate na. Watching kasi. Malilate na siya. Guys, dahil keeps watching. Go. Go.
Go, Mommy, hurry up.
Diba?
Hurry up, Walt. You're smiling, King.
Pag magsusuklay ka, only one direction. So if it's here, it's here. Move it different direction. Now, go faster. Okay. What time is it? Nagba-vlog nga pala ako, nalimutan ko. 6:47. So, dapat kami ay ready na for sleep, pero si AL ay medyo kakagising lang. Medyo. Kung hindi pa binuksan ni Ark yung aircon, kasi si Ark ay nagnap. Sabi ko kasi wag na siya magnap. Eh, parang antok na antok yung mata. Tapos umakyat 3 minutes before 6. So, anyway, so dapat, para mas maging consistent yung schedule ni AL, dapat mga 4 to 5 p.m. nagigising siya. Para magbabalik siya sa tulog ng mga 6 to 7 p.m. Kasi ganun yung mga naging schedule niya the past days. Ayan. So, para mas maging maayos yung routine. Ayan. But since dahil gising siya, pero ngayon tulog na naman siya. Habang siya ay nandito, ako ay magme-meriends. Video natin. Yan, ayos mo, Marcy. Hindi kita eh. Meron pa kaming isang pusa, si Vivi. Pero hindi ko mapapakita dahil siya ay nasa ilalim ng keyboard. So anyway, ako ay magmimerienda muna. Tapos siguro maya-maya kami akyat ni Ariel. Mga 7 or... Yeah. Mga ganun. Tapos bibihisan ko na siya ng pantulog niya.